Creating a professional music video has always required a lot of planning. You need cameras, locations, actors, lighting, a production team, and a serious budget. But what if your song could become the starting point for an entire visual world? What if you could upload your music, describe the kind of story and visuals you want, and let AI build a complete music video around your creative direction? Today, we're testing One More Shot AI, a platform designed to help creators turn music into AI-generated visual experiences. In this video, I'll show you the complete process, from uploading a song and choosing a visual reference to describing the concept and generating the final video. So, let's see how this workflow actually works and what kind of results you can create with it. Once you open One More Shot AI and create your account, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. The platform brings different AI-powered creative tools together in one place. You can work on music videos, AI artists, visual content, lyric videos, and other types of creative projects. For this tutorial, I'm going to focus specifically on the music video workflow. I'll start by opening the music video creation tool. The first thing we need is the music itself. Here, you can upload your own audio file, which will become the foundation of the project. After the track is uploaded, you can preview it directly inside the platform before continuing with the rest of the process. The next step is to add a visual reference. This can be an image of a singer, an AI-generated artist. This reference helps guide the overall appearance and identity of the visuals that will be generated. Now, we get to the most important part of the process, describing the music video. Here, you can explain the type of story, environment, mood, camera style, characters, and visual direction you want the AI to create. The more clearly you describe your idea, the better the platform can understand the creative direction behind your song. Everything is ready to generate. At this point, the platform begins processing the project. It analyzes the uploaded music, follows the creative instructions, and starts creating the visual content needed for the final music video. Depending on the project and the amount of content being generated, the process can take some time. While the first project is being processed, let's create another one using a completely different concept. For this second example, I'll upload a new music track. After that, I'll add a different artist reference image. This time, I'll also use a completely different prompt and visual direction. And this is one of the interesting things about this workflow. You can experiment with different songs, different characters, different artists, different stories, and completely different visual styles without having to organize a new production for every idea. Instead of filming every concept separately, you can create multiple versions and explore different creative directions with AI. Now, let's return to the projects we created earlier and check the results. As you can see, the original music, visual reference, and creative instructions have been combined into a complete AI-generated music video experience. The final result is built around the song while also following the visual direction provided during the creation process. And because you can change the music, reference image, prompt, and overall style, you can create completely different results for different songs and creative ideas. Overall, One More Shot AI offers an interesting workflow for anyone who wants to transform music into visual content without going through a traditional video production process. You provide the song, describe your creative vision, add a visual reference, choose the style you want, and the platform handles much of the visual creation process with AI. You can find the link to One More Shot AI in the video description. If this video helped you discover a new way to create music videos, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.